Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode IBPS PO Preparation Class 6, we are once again going to discuss few more questions that will help you in the coming examinations. So before starting the episode, I request you to subscribe the channel so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. And if you have already subscribed to it, I express my sincere thanks from the very core of my heart. So let us start with the IBPS PO Preparation Class 6. Friends, let us see the first question. Ram travels a certain distance at a speed of 3 km per hour and reaches 15 minute late. If he travels at the speed of 4 km per hour, he reaches 15 minutes earlier. Then what is the distance that he travels? Let he travels the distance from A to B. That distance is D, correct? So if this is the D kilometer distance, then we can find the time taken to travel from A to B with a speed of 3 km per hour, and we can find another time T2 that is taken to travel the distance D in with a speed of 4 km per hour. So that distance, we know that time is equal to distance upon speed. So T1, that is the time taken in the first case, that will be D upon 3, and in the second case T2, that will be D upon 4, because here the speed is 3 km per hour and here the speed is what, 4 km per hour, and the difference between these two timings, that is what, 15 minutes late and 15 minutes earlier, it means that is 30 minutes. So D by 3 minus D by 4, this time difference will be equal to what, 30 minutes, and that 30 minutes we will have to convert to hour because our speed is kilometer per hour, and so divided by 60, so this will be upon 2. And so if you solve this, you will get it as D by 12, which is equal to 1 by 2, and therefore D is equal to, take 12 to this side, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, so distance D will be equal to 6 km. So Ram travels a distance of 6 km. Here is the another question. In a 45 liter mixture, the ratio of milk to water is 3:2. Here the mixture is of 45 liter and the ratio of milk to water is 3:2. How much water must be added to make the ratio 9:11? So to make the ratio of milk to water as 9:11, it is asked that how much water is to be added. Now here we are adding water, milk quantity will remain same. Here the total parts are 5 and therefore 45 liter is there, and therefore one part will be 5 9s are 45, correct? So one part will be 9 and therefore milk will be 9 3s are 27 liter and water will be 9 2s are 18 liter. But now here in the second case, the milk will remain same, so it will be 27. So to make the ratio 9:11, how much water should be there so that the ratio will be 9:11? So we multiply these two, so 27 multiplied by 11 divided by the first term, so 9 3s are 27 and 11 3s are 33. So here if the water is 33 liter and the milk is 27 liter, then the ratio will be 9:11. Initially the water is 18 and now the water is 33, so 33 minus 18, and that will be equal to 15 liter. So we will have to add 15 liters of the water to make the ratio 9:11. Here is another question. A person can row with a stream at the speed of 8 km per hour and against the stream at the speed of 6 km per hour. What is the speed of the stream? A person rows with a stream at a speed of 8 km per hour and against the stream with a speed of 6 km per hour, and we have to find the speed of the stream. So here the speed of the stream, that will be equal to speed downstream minus speed upstream divided by 2, and which is equal to speed downstream is what, 8 km per hour, and speed upstream is 6 km per hour divided by 2. So 8 minus 6, that will be 2 upon 2, and so which is equal to 1 km per hour, and therefore the speed of the stream is 1 km per hour. Let us see another question. A father's age is 3 times the sum of the ages of his 2 children, but 20 years hence his age will be equal to the sum of their ages. What is father's age? Now here the first condition is that father's age is 3 times the sum of the ages of their children. Let this be equation number 1, that father's age is 3 times the sum of the ages of their children. Now after 20 years his age will be equal to the sum of their ages, children's ages. So here after 20 years father's age will be f plus 20 is equal to son's age will be c plus 20, son's age, another son age will be c2 plus 20, and after 20 years father's age will be the sum of the ages of their his children, and therefore this will be c1 plus c2 plus 40. Now here c1 plus c2, from here you can calculate, as if you take 3 to this side you will get f by 3 is equal to c1 plus c2. So put the value of c1 plus c2 here and you will get f plus 20, which is equal to f by 3 plus 40. Multiply by 3 throughout the equation and it will be 3f plus 3 2s are 60, which is equal to f plus 4 3s are 12, 120. Now take f to this side, so 3f minus f will be 2f, which is equal to take 60 to other side, so 120 minus 60 will be 60, and 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. So father's age will be 30 years. So in this case father's age is 30 years. The next question is, a sum was put at simple interest at a certain rate for 3 years. Had it been put at 1% higher rate, it would have fetched rupees 5,100 more. What is the sum? Here it is given that the simple interest in second case minus simple interest in first case is equal to 5,100 rupees. So we will calculate the simple interest in the first case. The rate is r plus 1. Let the r be the rate of interest in the first case, and in the second case it will be r plus 1, correct? So the simple interest is calculated as PRT upon 100. So this will be P into bracket r plus 1, because 1 plus higher 1% higher rate is here, into 3 divided by 100 minus I1 is what? It will be PRT, that is into 3 by 100, and this difference is equal to 5,100. So here we will multiply inside the bracket by 3p, so this will be 3PR, correct, plus 3PR plus 3p upon 100 minus PR into 3, that is 3PR upon 100, which is equal to 5,100. Take 100 to this side, so it will be 3PR plus 3p minus 3pr, which is equal to 5100 multiplied by 100. So 3pr will get cancelled and you will get 3p is equal to this, and therefore p will be equal to 5100 multiplied by 100 divided by 3. And after solving you will get it at 1,70,000, and therefore P, that is the principal sum, is what? 1,70,000. Here is the another question. The sum of rupees 1,360 was divided among P, Q, R and S in such a manner that P gets as much as Q and R, and Q got 200 more than R and S got as much as R. What is the amount did P get? There are 4 persons, P, Q, R and S, and rupees 1,360 is divided among them in such a way that R and S, means S got as much as R. So if you take X, S as X, R will also be X. And now it is said that Q got 200 more than R. Q has got 200 more than R, that will be X plus 200. And it is said that P gets as much as Q and R. Whatever Q and R got together, that amount P gets, and therefore it will be X plus X, that is 2X plus 200. And so this amount is divided like this, and this together will get 1,360. So 2x plus x plus x plus x, that will be 5x, and 200 plus 200 will be 400, which is equal to 1,360. Take 400 to other side, so you will get 5x is equal to 1,360 minus 400. And therefore 5x is equal to 960. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and 5 twos are 10, and therefore x is equal to 132. But we have to find the amount P has got. P has got 2x plus 200, and so this will be 2 into 132 plus 200. So 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2 plus 200, and therefore it will be 464. So P has got rupees 464. Another question is, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. If the perimeter is 52 centimeter, then what is the length of the smallest side? Here 3 sides are there, S1, S2 and S3, and that are in the ratio 1:2, 1:3 and 1:4. So if you solve this, it will be 6:4:3. It means the smallest side is S3 and its parts are just 3. So the total parts are 6 and 4 10 and 3 13. So total parts are 13. So 13 parts, that is equal to what? 52 centimeter, and therefore 3 parts, we have to find 3 parts because this is the smallest, and we have to find the smallest sides, and therefore 3 parts will be equal to how much? So 13 parts is 52, therefore 3 parts will be what? The 3 parts will be equal to 12 centimeter, and therefore the smallest side will be 12 centimeter. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video and share it with your friends so that they too will get connected with me, and please do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you very much for